Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. Peppermint oil is a non-toxic ingredient that promotes hair growth. Peppermint oil improves circulation, so it nourishes the hair and scalp. It stimulates the hair follicles, so more nutrients are absorbed, thus promoting hair growth. Therefore, it could also be good for repairing dry and damaged hair, as it has the ability to enhance the penetration of nutrients and other carrier oils. Anecdotal evidence suggests that peppermint essential oil can help prevent hair loss and get rid of dandruff and lice, but more research is needed to back this claim. In this video, we will tell you 4 benefits of using peppermint oil for hair growth. Before going into video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Number 1. Accelerates hair growth. If the number of loose strands on your hairbrush giving you a stressful time, then you must try peppermint oil on your hair. With its stimulating properties, the oil easily penetrates deep into the scalp and stimulates your hair follicles. Further, the oil helps increase the blood circulation in your scalp, which results in better growth of hair. Number 2. Solves dry scalp problems. If your dry scalp irritates you, especially at night while sleeping, peppermint oil is a perfect solution for the same. Since it has excellent moisturizing properties, regular use of peppermint oil will help in hydrating your dry scalp. All you need to do is to mix peppermint oil with any carrier oil, like almond oil or olive oil, and apply the mixture on your hair. Cover your head with a shower cap for 30 minutes, and wash off with normal water. This will not only nourish your hair and scalp but also moisturize it nicely. Number 3. Strengthens the roots. Peppermint oil is rich in polygon and mentone, which strengthens your hair roots and helps in preventing hair loss. You just need to apply peppermint oil directly on your scalp. Since peppermint oil has a little thick consistency, you can mix it with coconut oil as well. Number 4. Helps in treating lice. Peppermint oil is known for its refreshing and fantastic fragrance, all thanks to menthol, which helps revitalize your hair and gives them a fresh look. However, this strong fragrance of peppermint oil suffocates the lice in your head and kills them completely. To get rid of lice, just apply peppermint oil at night before sleeping and wash your hair the next day. This will eventually solve your lice problem. If you know any other factor, please comment below. Please take a moment to click the thumbs up button and share this information with your family and friends. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Stay healthy.